I was what? I was hungry when it came to trading. I wasn't passionate. I was hungry. So fast forward January, I came back again because it was time where we used to trade synthetics.
Yeah.
So I came back again, flipped the money, withdrew, and I was like, but this thing has endless opportunities. I think
on our last podcast,
yes. You think about envisioning yourself. I was like, oh, I truly envision myself as a superstar.
Yes.
That's how I portray myself from now on.
True.
As a superstar.
That's the way to go. Whole thing, right?
Yes.
Like an average person, they always think, well, if you are making money, why are you charging me why are you teaching me and charging me?
Oh.
Like why don't you just teach me for free?
Yes.
Right?
I get it.
One, if I taught you for free, would I be committed to teach you?
No.
Would you be committed?
No.
If it's free. If I have something more pressing, I would rather go and do that thing, and I'll be like, no, I'll come back to you and whatnot. That's how I see it.
No, true.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good evening, whatever time you are joining us. Welcome to yet another episode of the Boss Forex Trading Channel. This is like what? Episode 9. And we've been doing it nice and slow, guys. Nice and slow. Wherever you are joining us from, you are welcome to our channel. If it's your first time to be here, you are on the right channel. You are on the right spot. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like our content, and you can also share it with your contacts as well, or whoever you is in your space, you know. But yeah, I'm not rolling alone today. I'm not rolling alone. I'm with Mr. Tawang. How are you, my dude?
I'm good. Yes. I go by the name Mabante 2.0. Tawang is just.
What's the name again?
Mabante 2.0.
Mabante.
Yes.
Why Mabante?
I think I chose a unique name to represent myself, so I love this name Mabante. But yeah.
Nice one. Nice one. How is it going? Maybe you can just tell us about yourself. I know that you are actually one of the best traders in the country, and maybe you can just tell us a brief history about yourself. That kind of stuff.
Okay, I think my story is short because it's my birthday today, so so to say.
Yo, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! But before we started, I make it what I have to say.
Okay, thank you.
But for the record, happy birthday!
Thank you,
and all the best, man.
Thank you.
All the best that life has to offer. More life, more blessings, more everything.
Yes. I was born in Silibipigwe, born, bred, raised came to the city. I think for my junior school, but I encountered trading 2018. I heard of a guy called Refrain. He came to Botswana for the first time, so I was like, okay, what does he do? I asked. He was like, he's a Forex trader. That's what people said. And I said to myself, I want to be like him. So 2018, then I started learning 20 Noir, what is Forex. But I think it has been the longest journey. It's a challenging endeavor to encounter as a person because it challenges you mentally. Because we are going there looking for financial stability, but it challenges you emotionally and everything. So this past 3 years of mine being a trader has been, I would say, it has been a great journey.
Yes.
I remember 2023, it came a time I wanted to quit Forex.
2023.
Yes, because
but before we get there, maybe you can just tell us about how like the process, how it started. Like obviously a lot of people start on YouTube and stuff, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can just go through, like walk us through that a bit, so that someone who might be sitting at home, wanting to learn and not knowing where to start, that kind of thing.
Okay, it all started. Okay, I'm a YouTube graduate, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
I started with ICT by Michael Hedl said.
Mm-hmm.
Like the way he would interpret the candlestick, it made me fall in love with trading
Yes.
for a very long time. But fast forward, I switched from being an ICT trader to be a breakout trader, trading at trend lines. That's what some people call the concept Falcon, but it's easy to adapt to because of it doesn't have a lot of names rather than you meeting a new individual, telling them about an order block, a family gap. It's going to be challenging for somebody who's new.
True.
So I switched to trading trend line. I became a trend line trader. Whenever I see support, resistant, break in trend, execute. So I think one of the advices that took me far, it was like, I think we encountered it. That one where people say, buy, buy low, sell high.
Yes.
Yo, that advice nearly took me off course.
Yes.
Right now I can buy high because the market is willing to go high. I can sell low because price is willing to move lower than that.
Yes, yes, yes.
But it has been one of the
because there is a low and there's always a lower low. And it just depends on the trend as well.
Yes,
I think.
true.
Yes.
If we're having a bullish trend, then we know we have to ride the wave to the downside.
True.
Rather than somebody misleading us, telling us you buy low, because at some times price will pull back. We know that.
True.
Price will pull back.
So, but maybe with you, how did you eventually? Obviously, you started learning from YouTube, like you are saying, and then from there, you you have to go face the market alone, right?
True.
But how was that experience for you? Moving from, I would say, a demo account to.
I truly don't advise people to start learning trading with demo
Mm-hmm.
because I had wise words by Tom Higgett that you can go and then shoot at the rifle range.
Yes.
But are you able to shoot when somebody's pointing at you? Because the emotions in the demo are not the same in a real account. You can.
I think you have a point.
True.
To a certain extent.
Yes, to a full extent.
Yeah.
In a sense that I could float 10,000 in a demo, but immediately in a real account, I'm gonna pull out.
So
Before the whole.
just to happen like you are playing a game. It's like you are just playing a game on your phone.
There's no improvement in your psychology because the challenging part about trading is not analyzing. I think I learned you trading the first 6 months. I learned you how to analyze, but the problem is the psychological part. Could I hold my losses? Yes, I could hold my losses, but I don't have that lever to hold my profits.
Yes.
Because whenever
should I let my profits run longer?
Yes, true.
Because I know a lot of people when they are trading, but they tend to hold losses longer.
True.
And
than profits.
As soon as they go into profits, they close their trades.
I think the easier way is that we are hopeful when it comes to losses.
Yes.
That's why we can hold our losses for a very long time. But our profits, whenever you see your profit, but you have a take profit. It's not gonna you're not gonna give the market the opportunity to go there. You're gonna run out.
I think there's also a saying. I think I once heard Tupac quoted saying, "Fear is stronger than love."
I think
so. So our mood losing you tend to be like, no, we obviously start being fearful and stuff. But when you are in profits, it's just Anyway, so you start moving to the demo. I mean to the to the real account.
Yes.
Then what after that? You started making profits right away, or
I remember the first time I funded was in December. Imagine you funding with your whole festive money and blowing it like in 10 seconds.
Oh my goodness!
I traded BTC against US dollar. I went to learn about because eventually sometimes the market would hop, having a gap. So I placed my buy position. The market went down. There was no candlestick.
My God.
Yet no position in there. I looked.
So you wanted to triple or quadruple your account because you wanted to make December money.
Yes.
Then the opposite happened.
The opposite happened.
How was that experience for you?
I think that festival was the longest though. It was the longest I've ever had because imagine you being broke on the 23rd of December, you have to go to the 25th, you have to go to Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve.
Yeah,
money gone. 30 seconds.
And what did you learn from that experience?
I think what I've learned from that is it's patience. It's patience because one thing about me, I was impatient when it came to trading.
And just from the fact that you traded on the 23rd when everybody's on holiday mode, it says a lot. Because for you to trade properly, I believe your emotions should be okay.
True.
You are not supposed to be overexcited, or if you feel like you are not in a good space, just stay away from the market. That's always my advice to anyone who wants to go into this.
True.
So then after that, what happened? Horrible blower, and then how long did it take for you to fund again?
I think because I was what? I was hungry when it came to trading. I wasn't passionate. I was hungry. So fast forward January, I came back again because it was time where we used to trade synthetics.
Yeah.
So I came back again, flipped the money, withdrew, and I was like, but this thing has endless opportunities.
And you actually made your first withdrawal in January.
I actually made my first withdrawal.
When everybody was broke.
Oh,
wow!
how nice to wake up on a January Monday and somebody is saying it's a worry, but everything is blue.
That's why we say you should never give up.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, maybe you can from there you can just fast forward. After that, you started making a bit of consistent withdrawals.
Yes.
But yeah, it's a good thing, man. I understand you also have a trading community, right? There's you've built your own network of some sort.
Yeah, we're working on building this network. It's like the name of it. It's called Forex Vouchers. But under Forex Vouchers, we have something called the Traders Lounge. It's whereby we want to start inviting traders to come and dine with us for CPI, for NFP, for PPI, because a lot of people do not understand the benefit of fundamentals.
True.
Because fundamentals, one thing that I understand about them, it's their catalyst. Why not wait to get that injection for that after the whole announcement was filmed? Because that's what we are planning to do, but the date is not set.
It's not set yet.
It's not set
yet.
Yeah, most definitely.
Yes, it's a good thing. We need to grow this industry in Botswana.
True.
We are only getting started. I think I've been trading for close to 7-8 years now, or 9. I'm not sure. Yeah. But yeah, we need to build. But I always feel like I'm just starting. I'm just getting started.
True.
Yeah.
You remember the conversation we had the last time that we are doing nothing but just paving the way.
True that.
So that somebody elsewhere in those villages could come to the city and live that dream of in getting into the financial markets.
And the other thing also, just to add to what you just said, the other thing is we need to spark a lot of people's brains to say, if someone can do it, maybe someone is sitting in a little corner with a bit of internet in a village somewhere in Botswana. If they see you doing it, they can relate.
It's possible.
They can relate, and instead of seeing someone maybe Mutaliko, Kuwait or Venezuela or wherever.
Because me too, if I wasn't inspired by South African people, I could have been a trader.
True that.
So my point right now is like, okay, I want to inspire the other youth. I want to leave a mark from my village saying that, okay, we have a Forex trader here. So that is my goal.
Nice one.
So that we can have.
I'm so proud of you.
No, thank you.
A lot of people your age are not so focused. I stand to be corrected, but a lot of people, they are all about the nightlife, the party, the what. To see someone your age build something from I would say from nothing to what you've done, it's quite commendable, and keep going.
No, true.
Keep going. But maybe you can. You also teach, right? You
Yes,
also
we
teach
also
a bit
teach Forex trading.
of.
It's either we teach Forex,
Mm,
we even crypto,
mm,
because one thing that people don't understand is investing is a risk.
true.
That is why people
Everything is a risk.
everything is a risk.
Yeah.
That is why people find safe haven in investing in property.
I always say, not to interrupt.
Okay.
I always say everything is a risk because, but it's a risk. But you always have to look on the positive side of things.
True.
There's always a plus and a minus. If you focus more on the
On the
negative,
negatives.
you always be negative, right? Even
True.
if someone says, if you do 1, 2, 3, you can get 1, 2, 3. Then when I will be like, what if this happens? What if this happens? Focus on the positive.
On the positives.
With that, you can literally do anything.
And you talking about the positives, I remember you talked about, what was it the last time? Envisioning yourself.
Yes.
Ooh. I think
on our last podcast with Lesiva.
Yes.
Ne?
You talking about envisioning yourself, I was like, I truly envision myself as a superstar.
Yes.
That's how I portray myself from now on.
True.
As a superstar.
That's the way to go.
From
And you don't have to be arrogant.
No.
You don't have
humility.
To be. Yeah, you have to be humble, but don't what's the word? Don't downplay yourself too much. Oscar
No, true.
To a certain extent, but inside you, you should know that there is a beast that needs to be, to explode all the time. So keep going. And where were we? Something, and then I interrupted you. Classes.
We were talking about Forex classes. Yes, we're teaching Forex, we're teaching crypto, and we're talking about risk management and psychology.
Wow, nice.
Because one thing is, people pay for the mentorships.
Yes.
And our mentors, what do? They under deliver. So I want us to deliver more than what we have, what we can offer. No, so that when we leave you, you remove your training wheels.
True.
You can execute, have good risk management, have good psychological management. Because I think the hardest part is, we talked about it, it's in the mind. That's the challenging part about trading.
True.
Nothing else. But if we teach people not just buying and selling, but buying and selling with understanding. Because people fail to understand that Forex trading, we exchange for a certain price. I buy, you sell for a certain price. So our goal is to enlighten people on financial markets. In short.
I want to ask you something. What do you have to? I have my own answer. I just want to check something.
Okay, sure.
What do you say to people who say, people who mentor others or teach others how to trade, they are not actually trading, but they are making money from teaching or from classes or whatever?
Okay.
What do you have to say to that?
Regarding that,
I know I'm putting in a spot, but I just want.
I do. Okay, regarding that, I'm like, it's a problem sometimes, but if the people benefit from that, the thing that people don't understand is, I don't want to give somebody something that I don't use. That's what I'm against. If I teach, must I show you how to execute, how to even put stop loss and take profits? Because my take to it is, regardless of how you do it, give people the truth. Because that is why we have a lot of people say that Forex is a scam. That's what some mentors do, because they base money from the mentorships. They base money from
and they are not actually traders.
And they're not actual traders.
We have those.
But
now this is my answer to that. My answer is, I'll give you an example with, I don't want to use any local. Yes, like I don't want to use any local entity or business.
Yes.
I would say, how long have you known KFC?
For a very long time.
Right?
Yes, true.
Has KFC ever given you free chicken or a free Coke? Why? I'm asking, why?
They're running after business.
They are running a business.
Yes.
And if you if I teach you how, because this is how people think, right?
Yes.
Like an average person, they always think, well, if you are making money, why are you charging me why are you teaching me and charging me?
Oh.
Like why don't you just teach me for free?
Yes.
Right?
I get it.
One, if I taught you for free, would I be committed to teach you?
No.
Would you be committed?
No.
If it's free. If I have something more pressing, I would rather go and do that thing, and I'll be like, no, I'll come back to you and whatnot. That's how I see it.
No, true.
And also, if wherever you buy your bread, do they ever give you bread for free?
No.
How long have you been buying from that whatever? Not even a single day. So a lot of people, the reason why Botswana we need to change our mindset is because people just don't understand business.
True.
A business, you are not supposed to say, na kerekisa kopi here. You can say, you can sell biscuits, you can sell magwinya, you can sell literally anything that someone finds value in. So if you're a forex trader, you see yourself as a business, right?
You're an entrepreneur.
You're an entrepreneur. Yes. So one, you can make other streams of income by building your empire around that.
True.
That's my 2 cents to it.
Yes. No, true.
Yeah, but anyway, I know I'm the one interviewing, but sometimes I also have to share a bit of what I think and what I feel is right.
Yes.
Yeah, but Hongwe, maybe you said you teach as well, right?
Yes.
How do you conduct your classes? You do physical classes?
We have physical classes and we have lessons via Zoom. That is Monday to Friday. But if it's somebody who's a beginner, we make sure to meet physically. Because some people wouldn't take it.
True.
If it's via Zoom.
True.
They wouldn't take it seriously. But commitment, some people, they need to see you every day. They need to see you every day. Put in that work. So.
But yeah, maybe you can share your where people can find you, like your phone number, your socials.
Okay, people can find me where right now they can find me on Instagram. I go by the name Mabante 2.0, as I said again.
Just that again?
Mabante 2.0.
Mabante
2.0.
It's just one word.
Mabante, then it's a
then 2, then point
O. Yes, it's a different. Correct. The 2.0, it says I'm a different version of myself from what I used to be.
Like a second version.
Yes. What I used to be.
A reincarnation.
True. Because I used to drink, I used to smoke.
You don't now?
I'm 1 year, 18 months, 18 months sober now.
Nice.
Because I think the society have a way of how they want to see a trader. They want to see a trader drinking, flexing. So you want to cut that. You want to cut that.
To stay focused.
Stay focused.
Nice one.
Eyes on the back.
So it's Mabante
2.0 on Instagram, but my number is 76107213. That's where they could get me, so we could further give them the understanding and the advice when it comes to financial market.
Nice. Yes. Yeah, I think we spoke a bit. What was it, last week or 2 weeks ago? You also need to start like a profile on Facebook.
Yes.
And also on TikTok.
Yes.
On all socials.
On all social
even
platforms.
Threads.
Yes.
Because some
there.
people are not on Instagram. They're on
Facebook.
Facebook. Some people are not on Facebook. They're on TikTok.
Yes.
You know?
Some of them are on X.
Yes. And you literally get so many opportunities, not only in Forex.
Yes.
Because people can, if you have a bit of consistency, keep doing something over and over, people can always, they can look at you from afar, and then they're like, I can work with this guy.
True. On marketing basis.
Exactly.
Yes. If I'm always consistent.
Or any other business.
Maybe. Yes. True.
But anyway, I think we are running out of time. Mr. Guru is not feeling well today, so he's not here. He's not here physically, but
no, the Guru is not around.
Emotionally, we are with him.
The Guru is not around.
But maybe what advice would you have to someone who wants to start trading? Oscar Boadu is really technical, just basic stuff.
I think the kind of advice that I give to an individual who wants to start trading is what is required is consistency in order for you to hop onto this. So
when you say consistency, what do you mean? Can we sometimes example?
I like that
When
word.
we say consistency, this is what we mean.
Consistency, it's being there every day, regardless of the circumstances.
Number one.
I like the fact that Mark Douglas, the greatest psychology teacher in training, he says consistency, in short, it's a steady rising equity curve.
Wow.
That is what we talk about when you say you have to be consistent day in, day out. So this is what
regardless of your mood.
Regardless of how you're feeling.
Yes.
Regardless.
Yeah. So then you can continue.
So yes, I think you need to be consistent, you need to be focused and determination. The last one I would say you have to be hungry. If you want to be
stay hungry all the time.
Hungry.
Yes.
Because it's never enough.
Never.
That 6.6 trillion, it's idling for us.
And another thing, there isn't a limit to how much you can make.
That's why I think majority of traders that sometimes unrealistic. Because you see yourself in a Porsche, not in a Porsche. Because of how much the financial market makes in a day. So that's what we need from day in, day out. Motivation and determination. But for upcoming traders and for people who want to delve more into this endeavor, I'll say to them, don't give up and don't lose hope, because the time you say you stop trading, that's the time where you were at your peak.
And for someone who is scared to start, what would you say? Someone who is scared or skeptical.
Scared people. I think it's you don't have to be mediocre to take certain risk in life. So in order for you to say I want to be a trader, just take that leap of faith. Take the leap of faith. It's either you're scared or you're not. Just take it. Because one thing that I like about trading is it helps you to balance life and emotions. Because it gives you that emotional intelligence from blowing time and again. After that, you mature emotionally.
Nice.
You mature. So be there every day. You'll see the difference. See the difference.
Nice. So are you a London session guy or New York session?
I think I wake up an hour before London every day. Because I knew Tokyo and Sydney just passed, like London, New York. When it hits 12, it's 11 right now. When it hits 11, New York closes in the night, I'm done for the day. But yeah, we do swing sometimes. But I do prefer London and New York because Tokyo and Sydney.
So you're a swing trader?
I'm a swing trader.
So you prefer the
I prefer the London Open, so that we could drag it to Sydney Open the next day.
Nice. But yeah, man, I think it's been real. I don't know if there's anything you want to share with us. Have I forgotten anything you wanted to talk about? Maybe.
I know. I'm
everything is good. Your number?
I did dish my number, but it goes 7610 7213.
7610. That's not a number.
Yeah, 7610 7213.
7610
7213.
7213.
Yes.
I guess they had it right. Yeah, so if they want to reach out, they can always reach out. WhatsApp you and stuff.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. I think that's about it.
Yeah.
From and also they should also know what we have an office.
Yeah, we too.
Right here, Musi. This is our office. As you can see.
Bloomberg. Yes.
Bloomberg is there doing its thing. The market is live and stuff. Yes. Any last words maybe from you? It's your birthday. Where's the party at? It's a Friday.
No, the party is it's after New York session, just a trading session. So no alcohol, no what.
I don't do parties myself. I've never celebrated my birthday. I think I had a smaller session when I was turning 40. This was during COVID, 2021. So it was just I don't like parties. I don't know why. I'm just not. So when we are
I think after
Yeah.
after changing how I used to live,
Mm.
yeah, my party maybe a party for two, party for three. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. There's people always say there's wealth in boredom or loneliness.
True, 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 true.
But yeah, Negeri, your last words.
Yeah. Oh,
Mm,
my last words I'll give to people is that
mm,
success is not built on outcomes.
mm,
It's built on gradual improvement in any endeavor,
mm.
day in, day out. Gradually be there day in, day out. Then you see success.
True.
Thank
Those
you.
are your last words.
Yes.
Nice one, man. It's been real. Thanks for coming.
It's a pleasure.
Kezaru always keep on meeting in our spaces, and with the trading community that we are building together.
Yes.
We'll keep inspiring
Most
each other. You are an inspiration actually to me.
True.
But yeah,
Yeah.
that's about it. It's a wrap, and all good. Happy weekend.
Thank you.
Show me, bye.
Yeah, sure.